All right, everybody, Economic Ninja here. We are here with another how to make money video. Now, this is gonna be very obvious to you. You've heard it before. We're gonna talk about garage sales. So I got notes here, so I gotta sort of open them up. All right, so how to make money, garage sales. I got some interesting points for you. First off, I love garage sales. I love going and buying things cheap. I ain't gonna lie. I don't care how wealthy you get. It's just sort of fun. I also love being able to take 10 bucks and turn it into 100 bucks in a weekend, right? So any of you can do this, all right? But I'm gonna give you some suggestions, stick with me to the end, of what to do when you make the money. It's one thing to just be able to go to a garage sale, turn 10 bucks into 100 or 100 into literally a couple thousand. And trust me, I do it all the time. Well, I don't do it a lot anymore because I'm making videos for you. But let's talk about some facts. Right now, there are a lot of people that are running around doing all kinds of things. They're out in the sun, they're spending money, they're getting stimulus checks. Even people that are still working are getting stimulus checks. They're now getting paid for kids. It's like, pop money, pop money. It's like, man, now I know why I had those 25 kids and started a ranch with nobody can come in. All right, cool, so I'm getting paid for it. So people have money, right? And they want to buy things. They want to get back to normal. So people got money. So let's think about this. There's a lot of people that are unaware what's going on. You guys aren't. And what I think you should be doing is out hustling. I don't care how much you make at your job. You have a couple days off. Go to a garage sale. Say, I'm just going to take 10 bucks and write it down on a piece of paper. My goal is to take $10 and turn it into 100. So you literally take the 10 bucks, you go buy a few items, you sell it, you take that money and flip it a couple times to get to 100. And keep a log. Like I bought a couple Hot Wheels for 10 cents a piece, and I threw them on eBay, and they sold this. And keep a log of stuff, because after a while, you might get busy enough that you're going, hey, this is really selling well, and you might just start going for it. You have limited time. I don't know if you've been reading the news articles and stuff, but things are happening in the economy. Things are getting shaky, and forbearance, people are gonna start getting foreclosed on their houses here in the next few months. You're gonna see people losing massive amounts of jobs because Amazon figured out a way to use artificial intelligence to just straight up fire you if you do something wrong when your delivery times are off. All kinds of crap's going on, right? There's more and more self-checkout stands. There are restaurants closing. There's restaurants now, you don't even need a waiter anymore. You just need somebody in the kitchen to bring your food out because they're telling you don't even need a menu. Use your cell phone, order here, and somebody will just show up to you. Pretty soon, that might even be a robot. I'm not even joking. There are about to be a lot of people out of work. So you have limited time. What I suggest you do is this. I would start with 100 bucks. Take 100 bucks, make your goal $1,000. Second you hit $1,000, I want you to take $500 of that, and I want you to put it separately look into buying silver coins, cryptocurrencies. Now this isn't financial advice, you gotta do what you gotta do, but like literally put it into assets, right? Or pay off debt. So you take that 500 bucks, the profit, you turned 100 into 1,000, right? You take half of that and you start going, I'm gonna take a third of it and pay off debt. And if you don't have debt, you keep it in cash into a bank because you're getting ready for big opportunities, really big opportunities. Like the garage sale of the world is about to happen when the economy turns. Then you take the other third, you go buy silver coins, right? You have something tangible, real, that have the ability to go up during a inflationary event. And then go put it into crypto. But even if you're like, I don't like crypto, all right, well, learn about it. Like take some time and go, why is it going up? From 10 cents. Why did Bitcoin go from 10 cents to 60,000 bucks? Your eyes will bulge out of your head when you find out. Go buy some, and then you got it stored away. And what did it cost you? Your time. It didn't cost crap. It's just your time. You went down, instead of going fishing on Saturday morning, you went to a garage sale and then you took some time to list some stuff. Then my point being is you now have that other 500 bucks. Now you take that 500 bucks, you go, okay, now I'm gonna turn that 500 into 5,000. Well, usually how that happens is you start buying bigger items. And what's really cool is when you walk up to a garage sale, 500 bucks in your hand, you see a lot of deals and someone's just like, I just want this gone. The coolest thing is when you got 500 bucks in your hands, you go, how much for everything? I'll give you 200 bucks for everything you got here. And then all of a sudden the value just increased so much because the cost just dumped. I see it all the time. As a matter of fact, it's a funny story. I used to go around at the end of the day, people are packing up and I go, hey, are you guys throwing that stuff out or gonna go donate it? And they go, yeah. And I have my truck with me and my son. I said, I'll go do it for you if you want. And they go, dude, that'd be great. And I go, load up the truck. And I'd take everybody's garage sale stuff. I go catalog it. I go sell what I could sell. And then I turn around and go donate the stuff that I didn't want to sell to a charity, photograph it, literally document it, and get the write-off for it. Are you kidding me? Like, shoot, you could do that and it doesn't even cost you any money. So I hope you got something out of this. I'm not joking. Right now, there are a lot of people that have been cleaning up their homes, they're doing things, or they're moving around and they're saying, we got to get rid of all this junk. And to them, their junk is now your treasure because you're going to turn to dollars, which is going to turn into a nest egg, silver, cryptocurrencies, and you're going to crush it. All right, I want to hear your stories, guys. Put them in the description below if you guys are doing this. That being said, I thank you so much. The Economic Ninja is out.